One time at Shabbos Kevatani, we had, I don't know how many people in the room. I was teaching a class, probably 300, 400 people in the room. And there's mechitza, and women are there, men are there. And I said, who's coming when Mashiach's coming? Who's coming to Eretz Yisrael when Mashiach comes? And who's going to wait and see what happens next? And guess what?
Everybody's
I said,
waiting.
when Mashiach comes, all the women raise their hands.
Wow.
And no men. Like 3 men went like,
Yeah.
they were embarrassed. And I said, who's going to wait and see? All the men raised their hand. And I looked over the ladies' side and I said, you are stuck here.
Wow.
My wife created a program, like a campaign. It's called Pack Woman. Pack Woman.
What does it mean? Just pack your stuff, come?
The very first video game ever was called Pac-Man.
Okay.
And it's like it was this little thing that 8 dots, you know. It's called Pac-Man. So she called it Pack Woman.
Mm-hmm.
And every woman will pack a little carry-on bag full of clothes for each kid. And for her also.
Ready to go?
Yeah. And the Mashiach outfit for
No
Bias Mashiach.
way.
Yeah. You know, a woman's supposed to have an outfit for Mashiach.
Really?
We go Shreim.
What does it say?
I don't know if it says it, but there's a tradition like that.
Sheesh.
Yeah, my wife has. And anyway, but you have all the things loaded. Why? Because it's the Nashim Tzidkanias saying to Hashem, I don't know about my husband and all his investments and all his things.
But
and
I'm ready.
We're packed.
Wow.
We're packed.
The Chofetz Chaim used to sleep with the thing ready to go, right?